Yo guys, I have not made an actual video in a while, and I don't know when the next time I will make an actual video, like decently edited video, whatever. But right now I'm busy working on our website, getting our website to where I want it, and always getting more product in there and stuff like that. Because that's mainly what we're focusing on now. Because I have shut down the shop. We had a 2,600 square foot shop. I closed that down. Just wasn't busy enough in the shop to keep that going, or to be worth keeping that going. So I shut that down. I'm now doing all the actual work, like working on trucks and vehicles or whatever in my garage. I'm renovating my garage to get it ready to do that so it actually looks professional, so I can keep it clean, organized. So that's happening. Next thing that I will reno is this room, which is warehouse, office, production, shipping out shirts and decals and detailing products and lighting products, and everything will be shipped out from here, or is being shipped out from here. We've got some more shirts up here, shipping labels for some more shirts that are getting shipped out next week. We've got our plotter, we make custom decals, we make all of our decals in-house and everything. So yeah, I'm going to show you the website, what it looks like right now, and then I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can go check it out if you want to buy something. Awesome. Really appreciate the support. And yeah, we'll show you the website now. So here's what my website looks like. Yeah, you get free shipping on all orders over $80, which is actually quite a bit of stuff on the site. So main page right now, we're running a giveaway, giving away a Rough Country lift kit with install or $600 cash. Got another just under a week to get entered. All you gotta do is go buy one of these shirts, which is the same shirt I'm wearing right now actually. Got all different sizes. That's one entry. If you buy this decal, it's another entry. So you just keep scrolling, you'll see some lighting products and some other stuff. But then you can also go here, go to lift kits. Right now we just have Rough Country lift kits up here. We will get more, and we also got leveling kits. We got lighting. We got a General Off-Roads lighting products. Put that link in the description too for his website. Rough Country's products here. Some more Rough Country products. Custom grills. Some Rough Country light bars and stuff. And we got detailing products. We're getting another detailing brand up here shortly. But right now we just got Adams, which is a great product. I stock all the stuff that's on the site for Adams. I stock right behind me. Got an inventory here. Accessories, not much here yet. Got one Horn Blasters kit. And then lifestyles. We're working on some more decals. Levi Stance decal is getting redone. These ones will always be available in the same colors that's on the website. And the shirts, we might change shirts a bit after the giveaway and then start getting some more shirts going. So if you want to support us there on the website, that would be amazing. It's just nothingbutcustom.ca right there. And yeah, apparently I'm listening to Green Day. That doesn't happen often. Anyway, yeah, please go check out the website. Link in the description. And yeah, thanks for your support. If you guys have any questions, comment below, email me, DM me, it's whatever. Thank you.